quick. We're over here in Carl's Corner. We got this Walmart special. What is this? A series 3 out of 4. And we'll open it.
Yeah, it probably has one of those tabs in there.
We are cracking this open.
It ain't factory sealed no more.
Factory seal.
Oh boy, look at that.
The Silverado, bro.
It's the
The
promo
mail-in.
car?
The one that everybody wanted and couldn't get.
Oh,
Yep.
shit.
Oh God, this is going in the closet.
Yep. That's the shit right there. That's
Wow,
a great mail.
this is going in the closet.
I'm a little jealous now. I should have ordered that. That's the Silverado, bro. Yeah, dude. That's what's up.
Right. Oh wow. They
Yeah.
come all individual.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sleeved up. Yep.
All sleeved up. I guess we gotta
Oh, yeah.
unsleeve it.
Yeah, it'll tell you what's in what and who, where. Yeah.
Right, so in this one, it says,
Go on Walmart.
I believe.
Yeah,
we're gonna
they
put
probably
that
might
police
have a
car.
few more left.
A lot of these cars we already have, guys. But I got it for the price that we got it for. You couldn't say no.
Yeah, definitely not.
Oh, they all have a sticker factory
Yeah,
seal on them.
factory seal.
they all have a
Yeah.
sticker on them. That's
Factory
why you
seal
see
set.
them.
That's why it's signed
for
off
sale.
on.
Yeah. That's why you see them for
Oh,
sale.
got a
like
nice
that.
little sleeve and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. nothing in there.
Booyaka.
Ooh, we got a super Aventador J there. Throw that
First
one
one
to
you
the
pull
side.
out. There you go. First one you get pulled.
Like I said, we already have some of these cars. But there's one particular car I knew I wasn't going to find in the wild. Actually, a few of them
Yep.
that I wanted to get.
Yeah, bro.
So,
That's it.
that's the first sleeve, guys. Alright, let me sleeve this back up. Oh, we got the second sleeve we're pulling out. Right there. Boom. We're going to pull the sleeve out like this because the first one gave us a little bit of a...
Got him.
Alrighty. Gonna do this real quick, guys, because you know what's going on.
Yo, guy.
Oh, look at that.
This is probably the only reason to buy this thing.
I think that's the only
This
reason I
super
bought
right
that.
here.
And we got
and
a
the
treasure
mail-in.
hunt here. We got a treasure hunt here. And we got this everybody was looking for also. Well, being sleeve number 3, guys. Pretty much that's what's in there right now. I'm gonna unsleeve it. Like I said before, you guys are probably watching this saying, oh, I got this, yeah. And it's cool, yeah, we all have these already, but this isn't a factory sealed from Mattel. Obviously, there's that one. And we got the car bride. See the
This is a Max Salt Shaker.
Zamac. That's the seal that's right here. Every single piece that's on this in this box has that seal right there, guys. We got a treasure hunt right there. Batmobile. We got sleeve number 4, guys. Gonna open this up right now. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
What a morning.
What a morning we are having, guys. Only if you knew. Make sure you pay those storage fees, people. What do we got here? Zamac. Zamac. Another Zamac.
Zamac.
Zamac. Alrighty, ooh, Dragster. Oh, I got 3 of the sets right there. We got the Batmobile, Just in this one sleeve, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 10 for this Hot Wheels Race Edition. This is the 5th one. There's 8 sleeves in this whole case. So, there we go. We're going through the 5th one. We're going to crack this one open. And I will be having some of these up for sale, guys, so keep your eye open. That Mustang. It's a nice piece right there, too. Chevelle. Nice. So in this, we have one. No, it's all regular main lines in here, guys. Still 6 set. Alright, sleeve number 6. Crack this open real quick. I think I see something on there already that I already like. Well, I like them all. Alrighty, here we go. Hamburger car. I like the way these things are all stickered, factory sealed. Look at that bad boy right there. That was one of the ones that I was waiting for right there. I couldn't find that in the open. And the bad boy right there, the 72 Love.
The Holly Gasser.
Yep, and the Holly Gasser right there. Again, these things are all factory sealed stickers, you know. Pretty sick. Alright guys, this is the 7th sleeve from the 2019 set. Again, we have these, but just the fact that these things are 2019 sealed sets. What we got here? Beautiful. Oh,
Nice Tesla.
Ted, there he goes. Oh, look at that, super.
Super Bone Shaker.
Bone Shaker Super, guys.
Street Creeper.
Street Creeper.
Oh, Bone Shaker, dog.
Bone Shaker. I said Bone Shaker.
Yeah, me too.
I apologize.
This is a new Super Bone Creeper.
Look at that.
Oh, look, another. No, not a super. Just
not
like
a super.
every time I go to the store. Oh, no.
That would be nice.
Alright, I'm glad they didn't give me any of those gold. Alright guys, this is the 8th sleeve from the 2019 set.
And last sleeve.
And the last sleeve. Crack this open. Oh, this one is a little tight.
That's what she said. I already know right off the bat.
Oh, yeah,
Bang.
baby.
This one's a beauty.
That's it.
That's a beauty. I was missing that one. There we go. Nice AMG over there. Mercedes. There's the regular for you people that don't know. Got the Super Treasure Hunt and the regular No Hunt.
You don't know, now you know.
You got a Treasure Hunt right there. BMW M1.
Oh, my
And the NASCAR.
favorite!
Oh, I can't. I wanted this so. I can't find these in the store.
anywhere. If anybody
Nowhere.
has any extras, please DM us.
Wow.
We're collecting all the zoom ins that we can get.
GoPro.
And that's what
the
you
shit.
get. A 2019 fully sealed set.
Box
And this
number
box number is
42.
42 of 500.
There we go.
Enjoy.
Thank you for watching Kyle's Corner. Rock out.